Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. I wish to share for new YouTubers. Subject: helpful and genuine suggestions to grow and earn money on YouTube, legally and within YouTube's policies. I swear to God, I just want to honestly share something with you. I'm also a new YouTuber. Just 15 days ago, I had only 150 subscribers. Then, I used a YouTube advertising service for 4 of my video contents, and my channel grew to 2,000 subscribers. I spent only 10,000 Pakistani rupees. However, my watch hours are still low. I suggest you consider using such legal services too. It might help you meet the monetization requirements. I hope this short message is helpful to you. I don't have many suggestions, but I do want to make one humble request. Please don't use any illegal or fake services to gain subscribers or watch time. Avoid scams and shortcuts, they will waste your time and money. YouTube has strict checks, and using such methods can lead to your channel being blocked or permanently removed. Always stick to honest practices. Grow your channel with patience and hard work. There are no shortcuts to real success. Thank you, and best of luck to everyone.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, सब कैसे हैं? मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और सेहतमंद रहेंगे। मैं नए यूट्यूबर्स के लिए इश्तराक करना चाहता हूँ। मौजू: यूट्यूब पर पैसा बढ़ाने और कमाने के लिए मददगार और हकीकी तजावीज, कानूनी तौर पर और यूट्यूब की पॉलिसियों के अंदर। खुदा की कसम, मैं ईमानदारी से आपके साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। मैं भी एक नया यूट्यूबर हूँ। सिर्फ 15 दिन पहले मेरे सिर्फ 150 सब्सक्राइबर थे। फिर मैंने अपने 4 वीडियो मशगूलात के लिए यूट्यूब इश्तिहारी सर्विस इस्तेमाल की